a little experiment today. This is one of our slabs of burl. Now I know that they aren't ready yet. But for the same reasons that I test my apple cider, I want to have a poke at these as well. The idea is to first make this somewhat round. I don't want to go all the way, and basically I want this edge here, and I'm going to take that one off.
Really? This is going to be fine. I want it cut.
The way the jig works is I drill a hole in the slab, and I put in a wooden dowel, which corresponds to a hole on the jig itself, and I just drill a new one each time. And it's really important to get that very vertical, so we use the big drill press here. That pin will then be the pivot point that we use to move the slab, sort of spin it, pirouette it around on top of the table saw in order to cut off the bits and pieces that I want cut off. Now we'll drill the spot for the center pin. Now I drill the corresponding spot on my jig. No, it won't be a piece for you. No. That's the pin. Step back. Good job. Now you can have it. There you go. You know, I wanted the cut edge to blend into the natural and come back out and blend in and come back out. It's got a chainsaw mark on the one side. I think I would be happier if I just cut the whole thing down another inch. So that's what I'm going to do. This will mean that our tabletop will be about 20 inches across. All right, Daddy's gonna cut again. So you're gonna stand over there. Excellent job. Hey, good job, bud. Good job. Thank you for waiting. All right. I'll put them on here for you. I will need the pin back, I'm afraid. That's how we do that. It makes the trolls rage. But it works pretty darn good. Well, this is that razor after. It did a fine job. I just remember being super impressed with the CMT the last time we did these big circles. You know, there's a lot of timber bind and stuff like that in this wood. So I am impressed at the end of this. Those are those pieces that get alongside it. And it took that abuse pretty well. It didn't try to cup, didn't get hot in the amount of time that it took me to shut the saw down. So, yeah, it worked well.